Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. I know I haven't posted in a couple weeks. I am extremely sorry about that. I wanted to post, just literally was not able to. Why wasn't I able to? I ended up actually buying my second house. So I bought my second house and now I have one rental property. Yeah. Now the rental property's not up yet. Now I have to go in and do a little paint job, patch a load of holes. But yeah, I have a rental property now, and I finally have gotten settled somewhat into the new house. I'm going to do a house tour because I had a couple people ask. But yeah, I have moved in. Not completely. As you can see, I'm kind of in the lunch room right now. But today's video, what we're going to talk about is, of course, the crypto of all cryptos, Dogecoin. I have done videos on Dogecoin in the past, and I know what a lot of people are wondering. Is it too late to hop in on the action? Is it worth it? Should I do it? I got you. You came to the place, I got you. Should you invest? What can you expect as far as returns from your investment? I got you guys. I got you. So pretty much all I ask you to do, for me to give you this hot information is to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get a notification of every time I post a video, and just like this video, because if you like this video, it lets YouTube know that hey, this video is cool, people like it, and they'll share it to more people, which will in turn help my channel grow. So that's all I ask. But let's get into today's video. Alrighty, Dogecoin. So of course I do hold Dogecoin. I first initially bought Dogecoin last year after the big TikTok viral video. I was a big advocate of what he was talking about and how things should do it, and I was like, hey, I'm all for it. I think at that time I put in about $500. I had about 100k shares, but of course I saw that it wasn't gaining as much traction as needed, so I started to pretty much swing traded. I pretty much did that thoroughly throughout all the way until March of this year. I pretty much just kept swing trading. Every time Dogecoin was trending, people were buying in. Hey, I put it like nothing more than 1,000. So just threw a little money in, rolled it up. Once I felt like it was gonna die off, I sold, took my little proceeds, and kept pushing. I didn't fully invest in because I saw it just kept trending up and up and up. Like I said, until about March. I have a decent amount of shares, not as much as I could have had if I just held, but hey, that's investing. So I'll give you guys a little second to see my Dogecoin tier. So as you can see, I got a decent amount that's gonna make some profit. Now, another question y'all asking, is it worth to invest in Dogecoin? Is it gonna hit $1? Should I put money in, or is it a waste of time? Now, this is my personal opinion. I truly believe that Dogecoin will hit $1. So, with that being said, should you invest? If you have some spare money, not money you truly need, spare money, I would say yes, it is okay to dabble into Dogecoin. Now, let's get this straight. Will you see the returns of some of the people you've seen on social media and through the news? Are you going to turn to a millionaire? Are you going to gain hundreds of thousands of dollars? Are you going to gain tens of thousands of dollars? More than likely not. Unless you are big balling, shot calling. You hear me? If you got it like that, then yes, you can potentially make a lot of money. But like I said, at this point, you will have to put in a significant amount of money to make a large, portions of money as you're seeing in the news and on social media, especially on YouTube. So, can you make money? Yes. Is it going to reach $1? I strongly believe so. Now, let's talk about why I think it's going to hit a dollar. Let me lay some logic on you real quick. Why do I believe that it's going to hit a dollar? It is starting to gain enormous attraction. And not talking just the average investor attraction, it's gaining the attention of regular everyday people who don't normally invest. They want to know, how can you get it? What is it? Why is it going up? Should they put money in? They're actually asking questions. Now it's trending not only on Twitter but actually Google Trends. This is a hot topic right now. Not to mention, of course, the almighty Elon Musk has always given his blessing to Dogecoin. But one of the biggest entrepreneurs of probably of our time, Mark Cuban, has also joined the fight. He has joined the fight in Dogecoin and even took it as far as to say, hey, if you buy Dogecoin, you can get Dallas Mavericks tickets. Yes, he's giving you a way to actually spend your Dogecoin, which will in turn make people want to buy Dogecoin, which is extremely good. Not only that, you have a baseball team who is allowing you to buy their seats to come watch baseball game with Dogecoin. Yet another reason the stock jump. These things, these catalysts are reasons that are making Dogecoin worthwhile to purchase. Not just from a make money standpoint, but from a point where you can actually use it. So in return, that actually helps it grow. Now, what is actually going to happen to help it get to the dollar? As of right now, how I personally see it is, if Mark Cuban and Dallas Mavericks, and you got the baseball team, but I think the Blue Jays or something like that, there are going to be plenty. What Slim Jim also did it. There are going to be plenty other businesses and companies that try to use Dogecoin to market their product. Hey, we're accepting Dogecoin too, so buy in and go spend it at our company on our products. If more and more companies start to do this as a way to help them grow, don't forget, we are still in the midst of a pandemic. A lot of companies are looking for ways to gain traction, to get the eyes on them. What better way than to just mention Dogecoin and say, hey, we accept Dogecoin, come on over here. If this was to happen, this could be the catalyst that help really push Dogecoin to $1, which I truly believe is coming. The Dallas Mavericks, Slim Jim, and the baseball team can't be the only companies. I mean, it's another company that was like selling something like Dogecoin fan, but there is going to be more companies stepping forward to try to use this as a platform of marketing to help their company. And those, it's going to push the stock closer and closer to $1. That's me. That's my logic behind it. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. So a lot of people are out there saying, okay, so how do I buy Dogecoin? How do I actually get it? Because the only way people are saying you can buy this through Robinhood, and Robinhood is mad trash. They're bad. I don't want to use Robinhood. Hey, I get it. Robinhood is really not been doing the most this year, but hey, they are still a very good platform. I personally still use Robinhood, and I most likely and truly did buy my Dogecoin through Robinhood. Now, yes, there are other platforms that are now accepting Dogecoin. Webull is a very big platform for investors, and they officially say, hey, you can buy Dogecoin through us. There are others, Gemini. A lot of people are stepping up and saying, hey, yeah, buy Dogecoin through us. So it's not just Robinhood anymore. You have several platforms out there, Gemini, Webull, Robinhood. And a lot of people really, really trust Webull. They've been doing good. They just mad confusion with all the graphs and stuff like that. But you have ways. So for everybody's looking for, how can I get my hands on those? Webull, Robinhood, Gemini, Google, people. It's available on your phones. But that is my 2 cents on Dogecoin. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Most definitely like this video. And it's your boy Exia, and I'm out. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.